You can sue an airline company under various circumstances. Common grounds for suing an airline include personal injury, breach of contract, flight delays or cancellations, lost or damaged luggage, and discrimination. Here's a comprehensive guide on the scenarios and steps involved in suing an airline company. Common reasons to sue an airline company. 1. Personal injury. Causes: slips and falls, injuries during turbulence, or mishandling by airline staff. Evidence needed: medical records, incident reports, witness statements, and photographic evidence. Legal basis: negligence or product liability. 2. Breach of contract. Causes: failure to provide the agreed-upon services, such as seating arrangements or onboard amenities. Evidence needed: ticket e-ticket, reservation details, and any communication with the airline. Legal basis: breach of contract. 3. Flight delays or cancellations. Causes: unexplained delays or cancellations that lead to financial losses or significant inconvenience. Evidence needed: flight information, delay or cancellation notices, receipts for additional expenses incurred. Legal basis: violation of consumer protection laws or breach of contract. 4. Lost or damaged luggage. Causes: luggage lost, delayed, or returned damaged. Evidence needed: baggage claim ticket, photos of damaged luggage, receipts for lost items, and communication with the airline. Legal basis: Warsaw or Montreal Conventions, which govern airline liability for lost or damaged baggage. 5. Discrimination. Causes: discrimination based on race, gender, nationality, disability, or other protected characteristics. Evidence needed: incident reports, witness statements, and documentation of discriminatory behavior. Legal basis: violation of anti-discrimination laws like the Air Carrier Access Act, ACAA, or Civil Rights Act. Steps to take before suing an airline. 1. Document everything. Incident details: record the date, time, flight number, and exact details of the incident. Evidence collection: gather all necessary documents such as tickets, receipts, photos, and witness statements. 2. Seek immediate resolution. Speak to airline staff. Address the issue directly with airline staff or customer service at the airport. File a complaint. Submit a formal complaint through the airline's official channels, website, customer service desk. Incident report. Request an official incident report from the airline. 3. Contact the appropriate regulatory bodies. U.S. Department of Transportation. File a complaint with the DOT's Aviation Consumer Protection Division if you are based in the U.S. EU passenger rights for European flights. Utilize the EU passenger rights regulations if your flight operates within the European Union. 4. Consult an attorney. Specialized legal advice. Consult with an attorney specializing in aviation law, personal injury, or consumer protection to assess the viability of your case. Documentation review. Provide all relevant documentation and evidence to your attorney for review. Filing a lawsuit against an airline. 1. Determine the legal basis. Negligence. Prove that the airline failed to exercise reasonable care, resulting in personal injury or damage. Breach of contract. Show that the airline did not fulfill its contractual obligations. Consumer protection violation. Present evidence that the airline violated consumer protection laws or regulations governing air travel. 2. Draft and file the complaint. Legal complaint. Your attorney will draft a legal complaint outlining your claims and file it in the appropriate court. Serving the airline. The airline must be formally served with a copy of the complaint and summons. 3. Proceed with legal action. Discovery phase. Both parties exchange evidence and information pertinent to the case. Negotiations and settlement. Many cases are resolved through negotiations or mediation before reaching trial. Trial. If no settlement is reached, the case will go to trial, where both sides present their evidence and arguments. 4. Resolution. Settlement agreement. Reach an out-of-court settlement agreement, which often includes monetary compensation or other remedial actions. Court judgment. Obtain a court judgment if the trial results in your favor, which may include financial compensation for damages. Suing an airline company involves a series of meticulous steps, beginning with documenting the issue and seeking immediate resolution, and moving through consultation with legal experts and potentially filing a lawsuit. Understanding the legal grounds and gathering substantial evidence are crucial for success.